darlings, welcome back to episode 2 of our Vlogmas baking or dessert series. We are yet going to make another exciting and simple and very yummy dessert together. So in our episode 2, we are going to be using some strawberries, as you can see in the picture, and we are making a strawberry trifle. Yes, that's what we're making, strawberry trifle. Every Christmas table has to have a trifle. Like, there is no Christmas without a trifle. I mean, guys, that is not a Christmas at all. So in this episodes, there was going to be a trifle one way or the other. So this dessert as well is very simple. Like we can see, there's very few items in front of us, and this is literally all we need for it. Okay guys, trifles are very versatile. You can mix about just anything. And the one that I'm going to make right now is also very simple, straightforward. We are mixing nice things to make it very yummy. Please feel free to be creative. You are not limited to be adding the stuff that I'm going to be adding with you when we start making this dessert. You can add just about anything, guys. A trifle, you just mix anything. So for this one that I'm making, it's got very minimal ingredients, because remember I had said that we are making desserts on a budget, but that are going to be very nice and yummy also for our families. So here we go. So this is what we need. We are going to be using the second layer. If you remember on episode 1, we did bake 2 layers of the vanilla. So we only used one, which we had cut in half. So we are going to be using the second layer. We are also going to be cutting in half of that vanilla cake. All right, the second part of our trifle, or the second thing that we are going to be making, it is strawberry curd. So for our strawberry curd, we obviously need strawberries. So we are going to use part of these strawberries and cook and use them to make up or to cook our curd, because we are going to be cooking the curd, the strawberry curd, not lemon curd, strawberry curd or curd. Okay, so we are going to be using some lemon for some flavor. I don't make any curd without a lemon. So we are going to also be using condensed milk. So I had to buy it this time around because I was running low. We are going to be adding some flavor. This is strawberry essence. I did show you at the shops earlier when I went to buy or went shopping with you. A different brand from this one. This one I get it from the cake shops, but you can actually use the ones that you get from your grocery stores. And then another ingredient from the curd is the butter. This is the same butter we use to bake the cake on episode 1. And then we are going to be needing some corn flour. I did show you the corn flour and also at the grocery stores. It's in the yellow packet, but now this is this one I get it from the cake shops. I buy it in bulk, so I had it already. I didn't buy it. And then lastly, for our curd, we're going to be needing white sugar, just to add a bit of taste or flavor in it. That's all we need for the curd. Now for the cream, the mascarpone cream, we're also going to be making a mascarpone cream even for this episode in this dessert. So obviously we're needing this mascarpone cream that we bought last time, and we need double cream. Guys, this is the double cream I always use. If it's not this one, I always use the one that's written double cream from Woolworths. But last time when I went shopping with you, I decided to buy that other one from Pick n Pay. But I did, as I was making the cream with you guys on episode 1, I was not quite happy with the texture and the consistency. The cream is very nice itself because I made it nice, obviously. But I didn't like the texture, and it took forever for it to get to the firm side of it. So I was just not happy and comfortable. I was trying it out for the first time. So like, you know what? I am not going to buy it again. I'm not going to use it again. I was just buying it because I wanted to buy things on a budget. But I'm coming back to what I know, guys. So I'm sticking to this one. If I didn't have this one, I was going to buy the one from Woolworths and use that one rather. But this one I already had in the fridge, hence it's open. So that's what I'm going to use. So for our cream, it's still the same as last time. It's mascarpone, it's cream, double cream, and then it's icing sugar. And yeah, that's all we're going to be using for the mascarpone. And obviously we're going to be needing also some syrup, strawberry syrup. It is going to be water, some sugar. We'll cook them together and then add some strawberry essence rather to flavor it up. So basically that's all we're going to be needing for episode 2, guys. Please, guys, gather up your baking utensils, gather together your aprons, and let's get baking. Let's enjoy this series, and happy baking.